Hello, good day, viewers. Here is a very nice question for SS students, that is the higher classes. And the question is related to quadratic equation. The vertex of a parabola is at a point 2, 5. And the parabola passes through a point 4, -1. We're asked to find the equation of that parabola. I think before we start solving this problem, it's better we should sketch the graph of that quadratic equation for better understanding. Suppose we have y-axis like this and we have x-axis right here. Our vertex, which is the turning point of that parabola, a parabola could be up and down or up and up. This is the graph of a quadratic equation, right? So it's stated that the vertex, which is exactly the turning point, the maximum that curve can ever reach before it takes a turn, is at 2, 5, for which x equals to 2 and y equal to 5 at that point. So on x-axis we have 1, 2. On y-axis we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. The point of intersection between this, if you come down here, if you go the other side, we have a point of intersection right here, and that is the vertex of that quadratic equation. And it's stated that the parabola passes through a point 4, -1. 4 for x and -1 for y. Already we have 2 here. Let's continue. 3, 4. Then for y we have -1. So this is the point of intersection. So roughly we can construct this graph as this. Something like this. Something like this, roughly. So this is the nature of that quadratic graph. But the question is, what is the equation used to form this graph? And that's what we are going to find out. Remember, if you are given y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, which is a quadratic equation, the vertex form of any quadratic equation is given as y equal to a multiplied by x minus h all squared plus k, for which the vertex, that is the turning point, vertex, is equal to h, k. For you to get h, you can always set this to be equal to 0. By taking negative h to the other side, it becomes positive. So already, the vertex is given to us from the question as 2, 5. So let us bring it back here. So the vertex is equal to 2, 5. And we can directly substitute it into this equation. Therefore, y equal to a multiplied by x minus h, but h is equal to 2, all squared, plus k, but k is 5. So this is just the quadratic equation used to form that graph. But we need to find the value of a, and that can be obtained by substituting that point given to us, which is 4, -1. So at 4, -1, 4 for x and -1 for y. Let us substitute. Y is -1. This is equal to a multiplied by x is 4 minus 2 all squared plus 5. Now let us take 5 to the left hand side directly. So we have -1, -5 equal to a multiplied by 4 minus 2 is 2 all squared. And 2 all squared is 4. 4 times a is 4a. Therefore, we have 4a equal to this, which is -6. We divide both sides by 4. A is now equal to -6 divided by 4. To the lowest term, I think 2 can go. 2 into 6 is 3. And 2 into 4 is 2. Therefore, A is equal to -3 divided by 2. And you can also make it in decimal, which is -1.5. So we have obtained the value of A. All we have to do is to substitute it right here. So here is the equation. Therefore, our quadratic equation is equal to a, which is -3 divided by 2. Then multiplied by x minus 2 all squared plus 5. If you like, you can expand this and make it in standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c, but it doesn't matter. This is also a quadratic equation. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.